If you're having audio issues with the built-in TV speaker of your TCL Google TV, there's no sound, muffled, delayed or low volume, or maybe you can hear echoing, then in this video I'll show you the easiest way to fix any TV speaker issues with your TCL Smart TV. First of all, make sure that you have turned up the volume. But if you can't see the volume going up, or if the volume is already turned up but you can't hear any sound, then next we'll check the audio output of your TV. For that, open Settings, then go to Display and Sounds, Audio, go down to Audio Output and make sure that it's set to internal speaker. Now as you can see, the volume indicator shows the built-in speaker icon, and now you should hear sound through your TV speakers. If you're still having issues, then next cold boot your TV, and this should be able to fix any software glitches that may be causing this problem. To cold boot your TV, unplug it from the power source and wait for at least 5 minutes before turning it back on. After the cold boot, check if you can hear sound. If it's still not fixed, then let's go through the audio settings of your TV. So we need to go to audio settings once again. And first, if you're hearing delayed sound, then make sure audio delay is set to 0. After that, go to advanced settings and check if you have made any changes to the equalizer. This can cause muffled sound or echoing. You can easily fix this by going all the way down and selecting restore defaults. Then go back and check the balance slider. If you're hearing audio from only one side, or if the volume level is low, then it's probably because you have set the balance to one side. It should be at 0 right at the middle. After going through all these settings, you should have no issues playing audio through your TCL TV's built-in speaker. In your case, if the problem persists, then this may be a hardware damage and you should get in touch with customer support for further assistance. If this was helpful, make sure to let us know and stay tuned for more.